Yo, what's going on, gadget grabbers? So in this video today, I want to explain to you guys one of the sales of the day. This was a great sale because I personally have purchased this item about a month ago, and I'll go ahead and just show you what it is. It is a MacBook Pro 2015 13-inch display, Retina display, with 8 gigabytes of RAM. So this computer, at the time when I purchased it, had a faulty power button, and I figured that if I replaced the keyboard panel, that I would be able to get the computer to work. Fault was something's wrong with the motherboard because I changed the keyboard panel and it wasn't working. So I actually put the new one back and put the old stuff all back together, and I've been trying to sell it as it is, just like this. So before I let you know why this was a great sale is because I didn't sell the whole computer. The only thing I sold today was the screen on the computer. I sold this screen because this screen right here, it's in working condition. I just tested it on another MacBook 13-inch. The only issue is that this computer itself, there's no functionality from the motherboard. So this part serves its purpose for somebody else. Guess how much I got this computer for? Well, if you learn the buy and sell blueprint, we know how to negotiate. I got this computer for $80, and the owner obviously knew the condition, and they were hopeless to figure out how to use it, how to get it fixed. So they decided to go ahead and let it go after seeing one of my posts. So yeah, so I've sold the screen today here on PayPal. Oh, sorry. Here on eBay. Wait, and I'll show you how much I sold the screen for by itself. I could still use something for the hard drive that's in here, you know, and I can still decide on getting the motherboard worked on and fixed, so that the next time I come across the same model that's water damaged, I have a good motherboard for it. But yeah, so here I was able to sell that one for $329. Hopefully you can see that. If not, I'll screenshot it and let you guys see that the flips are real, especially when you know how to disassemble and utilize the components for the system. Because this is not just a computer. This is a component system called a computer. It has components, and the components work together to fix the system together. You need a keyboard and the mouse pad in order to interact with this screen. So if you don't have any one of them, you don't have a full system. So they're components. And you have to understand that when we're working with the buy and sell blueprint, we know how much we could sell these components to people who actually need them right now, and it's going to be what they need it for. Sometimes it has a couple scratches on it, but for someone who just needs a screen that works because they have a girlfriend who was trying to do she was trying to do a field goal, you know what I'm saying, with the laptop screen. So he needs a screen. It doesn't matter about, oh, you got some no, they don't care about the dings and stuff. Just show them the dings. They're gonna pay for it. But this one actually is super nice, by the way. You know, corners really looking nice. Really good one. So $329. And the funny thing is, I didn't actually take this apart to take pictures of this. I've done this before. I do this all the time. So I actually used an image of another screen that was the best condition that I had, because this one's literally flawless, and I just created a new listing for it. Now that I got the money, after I make this video, I gotta go fulfill this order. So I'm gonna go ahead and run the disassembly myself here in the next couple of minutes. I was gonna record that, but I think I already have a video on how to replace the LCD of a MacBook Pro 2013 Retina, so you kind of already know what I'm about to do. So I didn't want to, like, you know, show you again. I just like, go watch that video. But yeah. So let's go. This is exciting, isn't it? This is fun. So, and guess what I'm about to do with that $300? Of course you know what I'm going to do with that $300. I'm going to go grab gadgets. So in the meantime, in between time, I'm about to actually grab my Torx 5 screwdrivers. And I'm about to get bad boy busy with this MacBook Pro. Okay, so if you haven't already signed up for the webinar to learn more about the buy and sell blueprint, look inside the link description down below. You're going to see a link to get in touch with the next upcoming webinar, because I don't like to do them all the time, but whenever they are available to get new people inside the group, inside the system, I'll definitely open it up for you guys. So yeah, look in the links down below, and yeah, if anybody else is in the Buy and Sell Blueprint already, go ahead and drop some comments down, because I know you guys are grabbing those 2017 MacBook Pros, and I'm like, what in the world is in my market that I can't get the 2017s? Because I'm trying to get some 2017s. I mean, that's 2017 right here, but I mean, some people in the course are getting 2-3s 2017s. Like, I don't know how they're doing it. Like, it's just about when you align yourself, you get in, and then you put yourself to the gas, put yourself to the test, and see what you can pull out just by putting yourself out there. So anyway, just wanted to share this sale with you guys, and I'm actually going to go get to fulfillment because that's part of this business too. So I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Peace.